Snores On by Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, there was a bear who slept all winter long as the wind roared outside. What did the bear do? The bear snored on and tiptoed a mouse's little feet. Looked around and peeped. Too cold, too damp. So he built a fire, and the coals popped, and the wind roared outside. But what do you think the bear did? The bear snored on. Two eyes popped up, and a mouth in the cave. The mouse chirped, "Oh, who's there?" In popped the hare. He said, "Long time, cheerio, no see. Let's have popcorn and tea." So, as they slurped and burped, and the wind roared outside, what do you think the bear did? The bear snored on. Then in crawled a badger. "I want to share some honey nuts. Let's have some honey nuts and popcorn." So, as they chewed, chomped, and crunched, what do you think the bear did? The bear snored on. Then, a badger and a gopher and a mole crawled up through the floor. They tunneled up through the dirt. And a raven and a wren fluttered in through the door. "Oh, what a night!" squeaked the mouse. "Ooh, what a cold day!" muttered the wren. They all shivered and crawled in and sat by the fire to warm up. And then they had popcorn and tea, and they chitter-chattered and twitter-pattered, and until they made lots of noise, and the wind roared outside. What do you think the bear did? The bear snored on. Then they were hungry, so they made some stew, and as the hare stirred the soup, the mouse was seasoning it, and a flake of pepper floated off. And then on the bear's nose, and the bear went, "Oh!" And the bear woke up, and he growled, and he snarled, and he growled, and he rumbled. "How dare you come into my cave and eat popcorn and have cheese and have fun and have a party? I slept through it in my own cave." Oh, and the bear wailed, and the bear cried, and then the mouse, "We can make more popcorn, we can make more tea." The bear gobbled, and he chewed, yum, yum, and he ate, and he talked all night long. He told tall tales in the long winter night. So when the sun peeked up over the horizon, the bear couldn't sleep, but all his friends were asleep. The Bear Snores On by Wilson.